Hello everyone, my name is Kartika Dewi and this is supplementary for financial management class. And the topic for this section will be financial market environment. With the module goal is student will understand the role that financial institutions play in managerial finance. Management primary goal is to maximize shareholder wealth. Maximizing shareholder wealth means maximize share value. The price should be increased, otherwise the investor will not buy our shares. These shares are traded in financial market through financial institution, for example banks. Finance manager need to understand financial market and how financial institution operate in order to make a good decision. What is financial market? Financial market are forum in which supplier of the fund and demander of loans and investment can transact business directly. That means the demander of the fund and the supplier of the fund, they can meet directly and make transaction by itself in the financial market. What is financial institution? Financial institutions serve as intermediaries by channeling the saving of individuals, business, and government into loans and investment. Financial institution includes commercial bank and investment bank, financial services corporation, credit union, pension fund, insurance company, mutual fund, hedge fund, exchange traded fund, or ETF, and private equity. This is all the people who needs the money and the people who has an excess fund meet. There are 5 types of financial market. Number 1, physical asset market versus financial asset market. Number 2, spot market versus future markets. Number 3, money market versus capital market. Number 4, primary market versus secondary market. Number 5, private market versus public market, and I will explain to you each one. Physical market versus financial asset market. Physical asset market called tangible or real estate market, something that you can see with your eyes, such as the wheat, real estate, computer, and machinery. Financial asset market consists of stock, bonds, note, and mortgage. How about spot market versus future market? Spot market are market in which assets are bought or sold on the spot delivery. And future market are market in which participants agree today to buy or to sell an asset at some future date. An explanation for money market versus capital market. Money market are market for short-term, high liquid debt security, usually less than 1 year. Capital markets are markets for intermediate or long-term debt and corporate stock. Primary market versus secondary market. Primary market are market in which corporation raise new capital. So it's the first time for the stock to be traded. And secondary market are market in which existing already outstanding security are traded among investors. So all the stock you purchase on the secondary market are already pre-owned before. Now private market versus public market. Private market are market where transactions are negotiated directly between two parties, for example, bank loans. And public market are market where contracts are standardized and easy to understand for most people, for example, mutual fund and 401k. 401k is a pension fund in America. Now it's very important how capital is traded and allocated using correct financial market and institution. This is very important for finance manager. Finance manager must understand all the rules in doing business, make maximal shareholder wealth with ethical way. Understand sometimes the prediction is different with the actual, and the difference is called variance, and the manager should analyze the variance, especially very big variance and not favorable for the company. Now it's time for quiz, and the question will be types of financial market is A. Investment bank, B. Commercial bank, C. Money market versus capital market, D. Insurance company. And this is the end of the module for today. Thank you for listening.